This video on the FARGO DTC1500 printer will show you how to install an OMNIKEY contactless encoder. Disconnect the power and USB cables. Flip the printer onto its front to remove the two screws which secure the top cover. Return the printer to an upright position and then remove the top cover by starting at the edge at the back of the printer. Remove this screw from the main board. Remove the USB connection jumper as shown. Install the USB board that came with the upgrade kit. Secure the board with the long screw that came with the upgrade kit. Tilt the power button housing forward to unsnap from the bottom and remove. The contactless encoder will be installed in the right-hand bay behind the power button. Tilt and slide the encoder into the bay until it makes solid contact. Route the wires under the frame as shown. Connect the wires to the USB board. Replace the button housing by inserting the bottom tabs first and then pressing down on the top. Replace the top cover. Tilt the printer onto its front and secure the top cover by inserting the two screws previously removed. The contactless encoder upgrade is now complete. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID Global channel on YouTube.